Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to the Trendsetters. There we begin an engrossing trip through the world of fashion, glitz, and iconic moments. We're venturing far into the world of beauty and elegance in today's trip, where the past and present collide. The topic of our journey is iconic celebrity fashion moments. Be prepared to be mesmerized as we explore the timeless beauty of Audrey Hepburn, Madonna's rebel chic, James Dean's cool and classic style, Lady Gaga's avant-garde glam, and more. By the time you've finished watching this video, you'll not only be inspired but also well-equipped to add a dash of celebrity style to your own life. We've carefully selected the essence of these memorable moments. Therefore, buckle up, as this journey promises to be amazing. Audrey Hepburn's timeless elegance. A perennial legend in the realm of fashion, Audrey Hepburn epitomizes ageless elegance. She effortlessly won hearts on and off the silver screen with an elegance and finesse that transcended decades. Her defining style, which was exemplified by the little black dress in Breakfast at Tiffany's, demonstrated how elegant simplicity can sometimes be achieved with less. Clean lines, flawless tailoring, and an emphasis on quality over quantity defined Audrey's style. She complemented her modest, sophisticated look with bold jewelry and accessories like big sunglasses and exquisite pearls. Her approach to fashion reminds us that true elegance is not constrained by fads, but is instead rooted in self-assurance, composure, and a dedication to classic simplicity that never goes out of style. Madonna's rebel chic. Madonna's rebel chic. Madonna, the obvious queen of reinventing herself, has continuously pushed the frontiers of fashion, leaving an imprint on popular culture. Her rebel chic aesthetic combines audacity and allure in a captivating way. From the extravagant material girl persona to the lace and leather of the Like a Virgin era, Madonna's bold attitude towards dressing has always made a statement. She demonstrates her range by moving easily between a beautiful Hollywood diva and punk-inspired insurrection. It's important to embrace risk-taking decisions, mix up daring textures, and never be afraid to make a statement if you want to channel Madonna's rebel chic. It's about empowering people through clothing and serving as a reminder that everyone can be authentically themselves. James Dean's cool and classic. James Dean, the personification of cool and refinement, left an imprint on men's fashion that is still felt today. His unfailingly classic look, epitomized by the classic white t-shirt and jeans ensemble, has a hearty charm that resists the limitations of time. James Dean's fashion sense continues to serve as a reference point for anyone looking for a modest yet undoubtedly stylish appearance, whether it be the rebellious allure he radiated in Rebel Without a Cause, or the relaxed confidence he displayed in everyday life. Numerous fashion aficionados have been motivated to embrace the essence of coolness and simplicity in their own wardrobes by the actor's iconic red jacket from the movie, which endures as a symbol of teenage defiance. James Dean's legacy in the fashion industry is more than just a representation of an era, but a timeless testament to the enduring appeal of classic, effortlessly cool style. Lady Gaga's avant-garde glam. Lady Gaga's experimental glam is a breathtaking foray into the world of fashion that pushes boundaries. She constantly redefines the very nature of self-expression via clothing with a brave and ambitious attitude towards style. Lady Gaga is a symbol of sartorial innovation, whether it's through her mind-blowing flesh dress that made headlines around the world, her mesmerizing music video clothes, or her lavish red carpet looks. She has become a symbol of individualism and creative freedom in the fashion business thanks to her desire to defy expectations and embrace the unusual. She not only wears clothing, but also alters it into works of art, from striking headpieces to complex, otherworldly costumes. Fashion can be a powerful instrument for self-discovery and a celebration of one's individuality, as evidenced by Lady Gaga's avant-garde glam. Grace Kelly's regal beauty. Grace Kelly's royal beauty has endured as a representation of classic style. She personified refinement with an alluring air that won over hearts everywhere. She stood out as a true symbol of her time, thanks to her grace and dignity both on and off the screen. Grace Kelly had a refined air that continues to be an inspiration to new generations, whether she was wearing her legendary wedding gown from her royal nuptials to Prince Rainier of Monaco or just gracing the silver screen. She embodied subtle glamour with her fitted silhouettes, delicate pastels, and elegant accessories. Her royal beauty continues to this day to serve as a reminder that genuine elegance transcends time and endures forever in the hearts of those who appreciate its exquisite attractiveness. Michael Jackson's Thriller style. Thriller style by Michael Jackson was really spectacular. He wore the famed red leather jacket that became a household name in the enduring Thriller music video. This jacket's edgy yet fashionable air captured viewers all over the world. It was embellished with zippers and buckles. Michael's costume, which he wore with slim black slacks and his trademark shoes, revolutionized pop culture attire. His lone white glove gave it a touch of extravagance and became a symbol of the time when it was embellished with rhinestones. In addition to being a fashion statement, Michael Jackson's Thriller style was also a cultural phenomenon that continues to impact and motivate fashion fans. It serves as a reminder that creativity and self-assurance are what make a look really iconic. Marilyn Monroe's Glamour. Marilyn Monroe was a timeless example of Hollywood's golden age of glamour. She effortlessly attracted audiences all around the world with her alluring beauty, smoldering personality, and air of sensuality. Her recognizable style, exemplified by the iconic white dress sequence in The 7-Year Itch, made an enduring impression on the fashion industry. The picture of ageless beauty, Marilyn's crimson lips, golden blonde hair, and hourglass form, established the standard. Beyond her on-screen persona, which radiated a mix of fragility and confidence, she became a cultural figure. Her impact can still be evident in various modern fashion trends, and her name continues to be associated with the very definition of glamour. The ongoing influence of Marilyn Monroe serves as a reminder of the importance of true Hollywood elegance. Rihanna's fashion revolution. The fashion business has been forever changed by Rihanna's fashion revolution. Her bold sense of fashion has upended expectations and changed what it means to be a fashion icon. She has democratized fashion by making it accessible and empowering, as seen in her boundary-pushing Met Gala costumes and her inclusive lingerie business. Through her choice of dress, Rihanna inspires us all to embrace originality and self-expression. Numerous people have been motivated to rebel against expectations by her uncompromising demeanor and groundbreaking designs, helping to create a culture of self-assurance and authenticity in fashion. Beyond fashion, Rihanna's influence is a revolution that encourages people to embrace their distinct personalities and express themselves audaciously in a culture where style has no boundaries. We hope the memorable celebrity fashion moments we've looked at today have inspired you as our trendy voyage comes to an end. Remember that fashion is a vehicle for self-expression, and we want you to celebrate your individual fashion path. Don't forget to click the like button to express your thanks if you find this video useful for bringing out your inner celebrity. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update, and subscribe to our channel for more engrossing material on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Spread the love and forward this video to your friends so that we may all make new trends. We appreciate you accompanying us on this fashionable journey. And until next time, keep it chic, keep it fab, and keep establishing those trends.